Welcome guys. This is my first video. Hi, I'm Hussein Kapasi. I will be reviewing the Lenovo IdeaPad 5i today. All the video and audio that I speak to you right now will be taken from the laptop itself. So you can recognize the audio quality and the video quality of the laptop itself. It is a 1080 Full HD camera which is better than IdeaPad 3. Um, because that is a 720 pixel camera and this is a 1080 full HD camera. There's a lot of difference in the quality of the video, and I shall start the video by the unboxing followed by the user experience and everything else. Let's go.
One thing I really like about this laptop, especially the Lenovo company, is that they really take a lot of effort in packaging. I've used Acer, I've used HP, I've used Dell, I've used Lenovo, but the best packaging I've ever had is with Lenovo. Of course, you can't compare it with companies like Apple and everyone because they really spend a lot on the packaging and the first impressions, and I do believe that is important too. Um, but in this price range, Lenovo really has really good packaging. As you can see, we have a charger over here with a USB Type C. It is a 65 watt adapter, which I think is good enough. It charges the battery of about an hour and a half, and it also has fast charging support. The battery itself is 77 watt hour, and let's continue with the unboxing. So along with the laptop you get its warranty, its user manual, and you also get a special paper which I will discuss about it in the last segment of this video. Please stay tuned because it's a bonus tip and I really think it'll save you thousands of rupees. It has personally saved at least 50,000 of mine, and I'd tell you the story at the end of this video. So the packaging is pretty good. The laptop itself is metallic. It has a really good aluminium finish. It's not just finish, it is actually built completely out of aluminium, the front and the back. There's one SD card slot and two USB 3.0 type slots on one side, and on the other side you have one microphone plus headphone jack, one HDMI slot, one USB Type C slot, and one Thunderbolt slot. The laptop is pretty lightweight, it's 1.8 kgs, and it can be opened with a single finger. So the weight distribution is really well balanced. The boot up time was less than 10 seconds, and you can see the fingerprint. It works really smoothly and it's very fast. I've already set up the laptop because I had to test it before buying it. I'll let you know the specifications in a while now. So within the first hour of usage, the battery fell by about 5 points, which is really good. Lenovo has really aced its battery life. I downloaded Chrome, I downloaded WhatsApp, Telegram, I uninstalled the preloaded apps. I still kept Vantage because that's a good app by Lenovo. Chrome, despite it being a RAM hogging application, it did not lag at all. The laptop was buttery smooth. I really am impressed by Lenovo's IdeaPad 5i. I have used other laptops such as Acer Aspire 5, Lenovo S340, and Dell's Latitude range, but so far Lenovo IdeaPad 5 beats them all in every category. I did some light gaming, and I think Intel iX Xe graphics are really good to go. Unless you're a designer or does Photoshop on a day-to-day basis, you really don't need a dedicated GPU, in my opinion. The keyboard is really clicky, and I really loved the keyboard experience. It has three lighting modes, which is off, low, and high, and it has two front-firing speakers, which are 2 watts in nature, and they're pretty good, as you can see. So it has been a month since I've been using this laptop, and I am impressed by its battery life, by its performance, by its display, by Lenovo's complete package. It's a value for money in every aspect. I bought this laptop for 65,000 from an offline retailer, and I recommend it completely. I've tried the Acer Gaming 3, I've tried the IdeaPad 3, I've tried the Dell, the HP in the same price range, and this and the Acer Gaming 3 are the real competition and real rivals in this market. Acer Aspire 3 does have slightly better performance and a dedicated GPU, but I think it Lenovo makes up for it by its bigger battery and its better display, and it's a metal build. IdeaPad 3 is slightly cheaper, about 4 to 5,000 cheaper, but I think this IdeaPad 5, despite it being 4 to 5,000 costlier, is still a good value for money because it has USB Type-C, it has 1080 pixel webcam, it has 77 watt hour battery, it has fast charging, it has a full metal build with military grade durability tested, and is just a better value for money in my opinion. It's also a slightly bit heavier than IdeaPad 3, but because it is way more durable than the IdeaPad 3, I think you should buy this from the IdeaPad 3 despite it being a little bit costlier. So within this last month I've been using Chrome, I've been using Spotify, I've been using Docs, Google Docs and Sheets and PowerPoint all together at once. The Chrome tabs are like 15 to 20 tabs open at once and have not faced any lags as of yet. It's really good. 16GB RAM coupled with 1235U processor is absolutely perfect. I don't think you'll have to upgrade your laptop for years to come. Yeah, and I would recommend this laptop. With my eyes closed, you can go for this one. You should wait for a sale because like this one fluctuates in its price by a lot, but I still think it's quite underrated and the market hasn't caught up to this model yet. At present, I have my video editing software along with my Spotify and Chrome with at least 5 tabs open, and as you can see in the task manager, there's absolutely no stress going on with it. It handles everything like a breeze, and you really won't have to worry about making a wrong choice with this laptop. Alright, so the bonus point of this video is when you open the box after buying the Lenovo IdeaPad 5i, you will get a discount coupon of 15% off, which can be used on any Lenovo product bought from Lenovo. So you should buy the 2-year extended warranty straight after buying the laptop from www.buyalenovo.com. As you can see in the website below, I'll show you the process of it. I think this is so underrated because I recently bought a S340. It's about 3 years since I bought that Lenovo S340, and it had a fatal camera issue, not just with my product but with thousands of other products of the same model number, and it got spoiled again on the third time, and now I wanted a replacement product, so they gave me a new laptop in exchange for the old one. That was only possible because I bought that extended warranty. If I didn't have it, I would have to pay for replacing the camera, and there was no chance of getting a new laptop in exchange. So I cannot stress this enough. Buy that 2-year extended warranty plus ADP, accidental damage protection.
Alright viewer, this marks the end of our video. The pros and cons of this laptop. This laptop is made for someone who does not play heavy games. Just basic light gaming is fine. He has battery life in importance, has a good camera and screen in importance, and can manage basic tasks and occasional heavy tasks like video editing and photo editing, like me. Those were my requirements, so I selected this one after thorough analysis of its competition. Its competition was Acer Aspire 3 Gaming, Acer Gaming 3, IdeaPad 3, HP Pavilion range, the Dell 14 range, I think. Out of those, the real competition was between this and Gaming 3. I think if hardware performance is your main requirement, I think the Acer Gaming 3 would be a better choice. It does have its flaws. It is plastic build. It is a dedicated GPU which consumes more battery. So despite consuming more battery, they still have given only a 44 watt um, battery with it. So the battery life of Acer Gaming 3 is terrible. But of course, it has its better performance in exchange for that. If gaming is not your main focus of buying a laptop, I think this one beats any other laptop in its price range. Yeah, so my not so expert opinion would say that you really won't go wrong with the Lenovo IdeaPad 5i range. Of course, the price fluctuates a lot for this one. So I'd suggest you either buy it from a local offline retailer or wait for a sale.
खुदा हाफिज़ अलविदा. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. आगे क्या था यार.